helped me generate an app idea, validate that idea, and helped me build it using prompts that I could copy and paste into Lovable. So essentially what this is this process. Okay, I used to come over here into Claude almost every single day and say, okay, I'm ready for next day's post. Okay, I'm ready for next day's post. And it would just get repetitive. And for these long form posts right here, what I would have to do is come over here, copy and paste, go over here and paste it into Gemini, and then select a photo that I would want the reference to use. And that would take up a lot of my time as well. Not only that, whenever it would get too much, it would spit out photos that don't even look like me. So then I would have to come over here and create a whole nother chat, come up here, copy this entire thing so that I could do the process all over again, and that would take up so much of my time. On top of that, I would have to come over here and actually, whenever I copy the post from Claude, and when I'm ready to go over here and post it to my Facebook, it doesn't even double space it for me. So I would have to come over here, manually double space it, right? And then come over here to Gemini, copy the image, paste it. And sometimes it doesn't even paste it. I mean, sometimes it doesn't even copy it. So this whole entire process was, it took up a whole lot of my time, even though I was already leveraging AI to create a whole bunch of posts for the day. What I did was make this whole process a whole lot shorter right here. Okay, this app that I created called My Content Flow. I'll show you exactly how I created this app and how you could validate your idea as well within your niche. So now all I have to do is come log in, come over here to this tab and select the day I want to generate for the post. Say it's going to be tomorrow, Thursday. Today is Wednesday, and we want 6 posts. We've just been posting 6 posts a day. If you want 9 and 12, you could select those. And we also have a custom schedule. This is all tailored to me. I haven't really tried marketing this. Tried a little bit, but I feel like I needed to work on it a little bit. So this is really kind of tailored to me, which is also really helpful because all I have to do is, like I said, come in here, go down to daily content scheduler, press generate content, and it's going to generate my content, just like that. As we can see, we could regenerate the day, copy full day. I might get rid of that. I don't see what the use case is for that. Put it in a PDF. I don't know what the use cases for these are actually, so I might actually get rid of those. Keep this regenerate day right here, and all we have to do now is come over here, press copy, paste, and just like that. And instead of the thing that I actually really like the most about this part is, instead of coming over here and copying this long form post right here, going over the Gemini, we could just easily press generate image right here. And so far it's been really good. As we'll see here in a second, when it generates the image, it takes about just as long as Gemini whenever I press paste. This is a really good image that I am going to schedule for tomorrow actually. But as we could see here, there's even the comment thread post, so we can just press copy it, come over here, paste it, post it, and then, or even schedule it. And then instead of another thing just like this Claude over here, instead of coming over here, copying it right here and going over to the post, pasting it, coming over here again, copying it, pasting it, all we have to do is press copy and then paste it. And just to show you guys it actually works just like that, you could go over into the comment sections, into your comment section, to the post you just posted, and easily copy and paste just like that. That was another hassle that took up a lot of my time. This is I mostly do this on my phone now because I don't have to it would used to be this. Now I would have this app pulled up on my web browser, and then I would copy and paste, go right back and forth between both my app and Facebook, instead of Claude, Gemini, and Facebook. Now it's just My Content Flow and Facebook, which is it actually has been saving up a lot of my time. But let me actually show you guys how I built this, validated this idea, and actually did this whole thing leveraging AI. So as you can see right here, I've generated a lot of ideas already. This one really stuck out with me. I can't really change this name right here, FB Flow AI. I personally changed it to my content flow right here. I was able to edit this, but essentially we're going to I'll walk you through this process actually. So if we come over here, press new project, and AI suggests an idea, and as we can see here, there's a bunch of different industries that you could choose off of instead of just, entering one in. And if you want to enter in one in, you can. There's crypto trading. What we're going to choose for this example is content creation, because that is something that I actually struggle with, and I feel like it would be an example that a lot of people would understand. So we're just going to do easy for this example. Just like I said, simple is better. So let's just click generate idea, and it's going to give us a second to generate this idea here. And you could generate as many ideas as you can. There is no limit to how many ideas you could generate. There is also an affiliate program right here, but as we can see right here, our ideas generated, line historian, just off of the idea titles, we could assume what kind of product it's going to give us, right? So this one, it looks like it's for hooks. If you don't like these ideas, just like I don't like them, we could come back here and add your industry context. Now, if you don't know what to put in these boxes, you could take a screenshot, come over here to Claude or Gemini, whichever app you use, and say, based on everything you know about me, what should I put in these boxes? I'm building an app, by the way. Just come over here and fix all these real quick. Okay, so there's that, and then we will go select the screenshot we just took right here, and just like that, press enter, and we will give this a quick second. See, okay, here's what I dropped based in your actual background. So, I'm not even going to look at it. I'm just going to come over here, press copy, paste, okay? And then just like that, we're going to generate the idea. Give it a little second. And yeah, like I said, there's no limit to how many ideas you could generate. Brand voice snapshot. Capture and apply your authentic voice for consistent content creation. Comment to reply arsenal. Build and organize human sounding replies for consistent engagement. Now, this is actually something that I personally have right here. Comment assist. This is for Facebook posts that I see that are pretty long. And whenever I go into Facebook, sometimes it already has options to generate replies, and on some profiles, I don't know if it's a setting or not, but some profiles, they don't have that option. So what I would do is just copy their whole post, right, and just paste it into Claude, and it would generate a reply for me to easily come over here, copy and paste into Facebook. And as you can see, I actually use this a lot. This is my master prompt right here. So this, we're going to go on with this as an example really quick, but let's take a look at this one right here. Hook and CTA vault. We're gonna, yeah, that's just a similar idea that was thrown at us in the previous idea we generated. So let's just go into select this idea right here, and what it will do is actually be saved in your projects after you complete step 5, and we'll even suggest a price for you. So let's just select this project right here, and it automatically made a name for us, engage flow. And wait, we could change it. Okay, my content flow, there we go. Never mind. Oh, there we go. Oh, shoot. Moi. I got big fingers. All right. There we go. That's actually pretty cool. Now that I know that we could change it, I'll keep that noted. But, obviously, as we can see right here, made a whole entire process for us to start actually building this app right here, right? So we press build and we press generate right here right now real quick. And what you're going to do from here on out is copy and paste into Lovable. Simple as that. That's exactly what I did for this app right here. And it's actually really useful. If you want to build it just for personal use, why not? If you want to build it to try to go scale it, even better, why not? But as we can see right here, it's going to take a minute And all we have to do, like I said, is, it's gonna say sign up for Lovable. You go sign up for Lovable really quick, mark as complete, and like I said, over here, copy and paste into Lovable, just like that. You could double split it, which is what I did. I don't have any more credits, but just as an example, copy, paste, copy, paste. And I think when you sign up to Lovable, you will have 100 free credits, if I remember. I will leave both of these apps down below so that you guys could start, easily creating and generating apps for personal use or to go out and scale yourself. This GitMaker AI, there's a 30-day free trial if you guys like. And Lovable as well, there is some credits that you would have to buy to create this app, but it's honestly not even that much. Other than that, guys, that is today's video. I just wanted to show you guys how I created an app and how it's been really useful for me. After I feel like it's fully done, I will start scaling this and start marketing it to the public, but for now it's just for personal use. Other than that, make sure you guys like and subscribe if you made it this far, and yeah.